We are therefore declaring a national state of disaster to respond to the electricity crisis and its effect.
Ngesikhathi ethula inkulumo yakhe izolo, Umengameli uyihlonze njengenhlekelele ebhekene nezwe inkinga yogesi. Kwezinye izisombululo azethulile, wethule ukuthi kuzoqokwa ungqongqoshe ozobhekela ugesi. Lo ngqongqoshe uzosebenzisana kakhulu nekomiti lezamandla kanye nebhodi le-Eskom uqinisekisa ukuthi kuqedwa nya ukucishwa kagesi kuleli.
I will appoint a Minister of Electricity in the presidency to assume full responsibility for overseeing all aspects of the electricity crisis response.
Amanye amaqembu ezombusazwe aphawulile ngalokhu.
We really do not need a Minister of Electricity. We might end up with a Minister of Potholes, Minister of pit toilets. All we need a minister that will deal with minerals and energy and resolve the crisis around electricity.
I don't think even if he appoints a Minister of Electricity, this will change. As long as we have not yet diagnosed what is the reason for the load shedding. So we wish him good luck on that.
Umengameli uthe uhulumeni uzoxhasa isikhungo esiphehla ugesi kulelizwe iEskom ukuze sikwazi ukuthenga udizili kuze kuphele lo nyaka wezimali.
Government will support Eskom to secure additional funding to continue purchasing diesel for the rest of the financial year. This should reduce the severity of load shedding.
Unxuse ukuba abantu bakuleli bebambisane ukuze kuliwe nalenselele kagesi njengoba inomthelela ongemuhle omkhulu ebantwini kanye nasemnotheni wezwe. Ngingunozipho Xaba wezindaba ze-SABC.